Hello, welcome to this program for design and technology. Our today's lesson is on the design process. In grade 7, you saw the different stages present in the design process. Now, in grade 8, 2 new stages will be introduced to you. Our today's lesson comprises of what is a design process, stages in design process, how do we identify a problem, and how to write a situation. Design process is a problem-solving activity involving the use of creativity and thinking skills to find solutions. It includes several stages to resolve a particular issue. The main stages of the design process are identification of problem, research and analysis, specification, generation of idea, development of selected idea, product planning, realization, testing and evaluation. Development of selected idea and product planning are the 2 new stages added in the design process for grade 8. Now, let us look at the first stage of the design process, that is identification of problem. While identifying problem, you need to come up with all kinds of situations in which you should consider different occasions, events, and routine activities that a person has experienced. As a designer, it is important to identify and analyze the different issues in the situation so as to be able to give an appropriate solution. Here are some examples of different possible situations. Situation 1, a desk storage system. Situation 2, a home organizer. Situation 3, a secure storage device. Situation 4, a photo frame. Situation 5, an earphone tidy. Let us look at this picture. What can you find in this picture? Can you identify some problems? Yes, you're right. The desk is in a messy state. What else can we find? Stationaries are scattered everywhere. Oh, have you noticed? It also takes time to look for an item. We can conclude that to solve the problem in situation 1, we can design a storage system for a student desk at home. The design must hold a range of items that we would typically find on a student's desk, such as pens, pencils, and paper clips. In situation 2, we will identify a situation at our home that requires organization or reorganization. For example, storage of shoes, mobile phone, keys, chargers, or remote controls. By looking at the picture, we can say that a proper organizer can be designed for a better storage of the keys. In situation 3, there are different valuable earrings, bracelets, necklaces that are placed on the vanity table. They are highly visible and get entangled easily. So, we will have to look for a solution to keep all the valuable things safely without it being entangled. The main purpose of a photograph is to capture life moments. And some people take photos to document their loved ones and personal experiences. The picture in situation 4 shows that there is no convenient place to store the pictures. A secure storage device can be designed to suit personal needs, for example, a media storage box. The design can be constrained by limits like overall dimensions, material cost, and manufacturing processes. Let us consider a different situation. My sister uses her earphone almost every day to listen to music. She used to complain about them getting entangled and sometimes difficult to find them in her bag. She normally has a habit of pulling the earphones out of the bag, and a few times she damaged the cords. A possible solution might be a portable earphone tidy. I'm sure you still remember how we had written a situation and what were the things we considered while doing so in grade 7. Let us make a quick recap. A situation is a detailed description of identification of the need. The situation must be clearly analyzed with issues affecting the user. While writing the situation, there are some main things that should be considered, such as needs of the user, problems they are facing, consequences of the problems, and a brief explanation on how to solve the problem. Let us reconsider this situation. It should include need of the user, that is, she uses earphone to listen to music and answer calls. Problems that are faced is that the earphone cords get entangled. Consequences of problems, there is loss of time, items in bag getting mixed together and fall out easily, earphone get damaged easily. A brief explanation on how to solve the problem is that a portable unit can be designed to store earphones. Writing the situation. My sister uses an earphone to listen to music and answer calls. She usually stores it in her handbag. However, she gets difficulty to take it out every time when she has to use it, as the earphones get entangled easily. There is a loss of time, items in the bag are mixed together, and sometimes they fall out easily. The earphone gets damaged and has to be replaced. A unit is required to store earphone in a handbag. Today we have learned about the different stages present in the design process. We also discussed in details the first stage, identification of problem. We have seen how a situation is written and what are the factors that are considered while writing it. In the next lesson, we will show you how it is presented in the folio. Well, we have come to the end of this video. I hope you have enjoyed it. See you soon.